Unit 11, Lesson 3. We're finding some missing arcs here. I'm not going to do all of these, I'm just going to do some of them, but in question number 1, you can think of this angle GFE as an inscribed angle because we defined an inscribed angle as an angle whose vertex is on the circle. And that is true of this, the angle is on the circle. So this angle 76 is half of the intercepted arc, and the intercepted arc is this arc. So to get that arc, you would do 76 times 2, which is 152. And then to get this arc where the question mark is, you just need to know that all the way around the circle is 360. So 360 minus 152 should give me that question mark arc. So you're going to finish that up. I will do number 2 as well. So for number 2, all the way around the circle is 360. So let's just say I labeled this one X. Then I would label that the major arc from V to T, 360 minus X. And so when we set up the equation here, it's the major arc minus the minor arc divided by 2. So the major arc is 360 minus X, and then minus the minor arc, which is X, divided by 2 will give me that exterior angle 50. So when I solve here, I'm going to multiply 2 times 50, I get 100, and on the left-hand side, I have 360 minus 2x, and you're going to solve from there. And let's keep going. Number 3 is just like number 2, except you're working the other way. Down to number 5. In number 5, to get this angle where the question mark is, it's the big arc, 175, minus the little arc, 57, divided by 2. So 175 minus 57 divided by 2 will give me the angle that the question mark is in. So you can finish that one up.